You two have been at this for hours. What's the big deal with that bottle anyway? We are inventors, thinkers, tinkerers of trouble. Too smart for our own good, some say. Born on the wrong planet, raised on the wrong ideas, and absolutely obsessed with one thing. The perfect recipe! Yeah! Not just baking, cosmic baking. Recipes so powerful they could warp space-time. We once created a souffle that expanded so fast it ate half our workshop. Still floating somewhere near Saturn. And a jelly bean that caused you to burst into song. Side effects included hiccups and tap dancing. You two need a hobby. This is our hobby, our life's work, and that bottle holds the final missing ingredient, ancient flavor magic. Once we harness that power in our new and improved Mixatron, nothing will stop us from creating the grand custard of eternity. Smooth as silk, sweet as starlight, and powerful enough to bend the reality itself. Great. Two geniuses trying to save the universe with dessert. We're all doomed. Shh. They're saying something about the bottle. Oh, Poopy, they're always saying something. Probably about cookies again. Poopy. Now, listen. Grand custard of eternity. Oh. See? They're after the bottle tool. And if they get it, they'll make reality into dessert or something. Well, looks like we're not the only masterminds in the room. What? If that's another batch of nosy villains sneaking around my diner, I swear I'm charging double for milkshakes. Great googly moogly, what in the pantry tarnation is this contraption supposed to be? Behold, the Mixatron, a revolutionary defense dessert mechanism! It can whip a meringue in zero gravity, fold batter with anti-gravity tongues, and launch a pie across dimensions. Oh, Poopy, do you see this? They've gone full cocoa! Poopy, Poopy, Poopy! But Poopy, it fits you! Sweet, sour, and always in a stink about something! Poopy, Poopy, Poopy! Craig Muffin! You two crackpots are worse than Jum Jum mumbling in his sleep. According to my calculations, the Mixatron's output is currently deliciously unstable. Which means we are in the eye of a pastry storm, sister. Hey! I like this! Poppy, this machine is trying to mock me! Oh, shut your pie hole, Bungledorf! That pastry knows better than to touch me. What? 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 Breakfast physics! Everything Tuesday. I swear if I had a nickel for every flying pancake in this place, I'd buy my own asteroid.